Exercise 1C. Today we are going to start new exercise. Exercise 1C. Okay. So number 1. Fine. Okay, so before going to start this new topic, okay, again sign convection for division, okay? Again, the sign convection. By the way, sign convection of this multiplication and division are same. Sign convection. So according to the sign convention, same like multiplication, minus, divide, minus, then minus, divide, plus, then plus, divide, minus, then plus, divide, plus, okay? So minus, divide, minus, again like multiplication, it will give you what? Plus, minus, divide, plus,
Minus.
plus, divide, minus,
Minus.
divide, plus,
Plus.
Plus.
okay. Same like the multiplication sign convention, okay? So for the multiplication and the division, the sign convention will be same, okay? Got it? Say yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the questions, okay? So number 1, find minus 6 divided 2. Okay, first write some questions, okay, minus for this. Then number 2 is what? 8 divided minus 4. Then number 3. Number 3 is what? Minus 57 divide minus 19. Okay. Then 4 number. 4 number is what? 23 divided 23 divide minus 23. Minus 23. Okay, so first solve these questions, okay?
The first one is minus 3.
Now see, the solution will be like, see, again like multiplication, what we have to do, first we have to divide or calculate the sign first, then to the numbers. So here 6 is a negative integer and 2 is a positive integer. So negative negative sign divide positive sign gives you what?
Minus.
So minus, now 6 divided 2 is how much?
3. 3.
So minus 3 is the answer. Again here, first 8 is a positive, 4 is a negative. So
Minus.
plus divide minus gives you what? Minus 8.
Minus.
So gives you
2. 2.
again here. Minus divide minus
Plus.
plus. So plus either you wrote or you don't write. Okay, it doesn't matter, okay? Because positive sign is always written with all the numbers. So 57 divided 19 is how much?
3.
3.
3.
And here 23 divided minus 23.
Plus. 9. Minus.
Minus 1.
1.
1.
Okay. If you want to write here plus, you can write plus also. Okay. If you want to write, okay. Done? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now 5 number, okay.
No.
17 divide minus 6 plus 5. Then 6 number. 18 plus minus 18 divide minus 20. 7 number. Minus 30. Okay. So see. Again, here see, some values are written inside the bracket and some are not inside the bracket. Okay. So your priority is what? First, we have to calculate the value which are written inside the bracket. Okay. And the other just write as it is. So 17 divide. Now minus 6 plus 5 is how much?
Minus 1. Minus 1.
Minus 1. Again now plus divide minus. Minus 17 divide 1.
Minus. Minus 17.
Now here. Again here. See 18. 18 plus minus 18. 0 directly. Or otherwise just write plus minus. Minus 18 divide minus 20. Okay. Now 18 minus 18 0. Divide minus 20. So 0 divide this gives what? 0. Okay. So here one rule is what? Notice. Okay.
First, we have to
See, when you are going to divide any number by 0, any number, 0 divided by any number gives you always 0. Okay. This is note point. Okay. Note point. Just writing forward. Right? Note. 0 divided by any number. Any number gives you what? 0. For example, example number 1, 0 by 5 is equal to 0. Number 2, 0 by minus 100 gives you what? 0. Understood this? Yeah? Say no, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now
Yes,
next,
sir.
next thing. but any number divided by 0 will be not equal to 0. Okay. For example, if suppose I am writing 55 or just 5 divided by 0, will it be equal to 0? No, the value is not 0. Okay. So this value gives you what? Undefined or infinite value. Or just write undefined. Undefined. Okay. So it will be not defined. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Means 0 divided by any number is equal to 0, like 0 by 5 is equal to 0 or 0 by minus 100 is equal to 0. But any number divided by 0 is not equal to 0. Any number divided by 0 is equal to undefined. That is meaningless, or you not meaningless. It will be undefined. Okay? You cannot define that value. Means 5 by 0 is undefined value. 5 by 0 is not equal to 0. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see 7 number. So see here. Again, both are in mid bracket. So just solve this first. So minus 30 minus 18. So if you want to first solve, then first solve this minus plus 18. Divide 19 plus minus 13. Okay. This gives you how much? 12 minus 12, yes. And this gives you how much?
Yes, sir.
6. Okay. So again, minus divide plus minus 12 divided by 6 is what? 2. This will be answer. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. What is the answer of 8 number?
Sir, minus 2.
Let's check your answer. 90 divide minus 5. Okay. Divide minus 81. Divide by 8, then 9 number. And what?
Sir, how to do that?
Okay. So what is your 9 number answer?
Sir, minus 2.
Okay.
Sir, 10 number answer is 1.
Okay. Minus 250 into minus 8. Okay, now cross check your answer. Okay, so this gives you what? Plus divide minus. Minus 18 times 90. Okay, divide. Again, minus divide minus became plus.
Plus.
And 81 divided by 9 is what? 9 only. 9
Nine.
is 18. Yeah. Now again, minus divide plus. Minus now 9 to 18. Okay, so your answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this 400 into this minus 8,000. Okay, divide minus into minus plus. This is how much? I think 2,000. Okay, so again minus divide plus. Minus 8,000 divided by 2,000 gives you what? 4. How? See here, 8,000 divided by 2,000. This 3030 cancel. Now 2 4 8. That's it. 4 into minus 4 is the answer. Okay. Now 10 number last. So what is the answer of 10 number?
1.
1.
Now let's check.
Plus 1.
Minus 155 plus minus 100 divide minus 300 plus 45. Okay. So again, minus 155 plus minus 100.
Minus 255.
Minus 255 divide this minus this became what?
Minus 255.
Okay. Now minus divide minus plus 255 divide 255 1.
1.
So this is the answer. So done.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in any questions?
No, sir, no doubt.
Sir.
Okay, now see question number 2. Write that true or false. For the given statement. For the following statement. Okay. And number 1. 0 divide minus 8 is equal to 0. Then number 2 minus 25 divide 0 is equal to 0. Number 3 minus 54 divide minus 9 is equal to minus 6. Now number 4 90 divide minus 1 is equal to minus 19. Number 5 6 36 divide. Okay. So for this,
Yeah, false.
This is true or false?
First is false.
Sir, true. Sir, true.
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 Yes.
Sir, true. False.
Sorry, how true? It's false, na?
Sir, undefined.
Any number divided by 0 is undefined, but if any number is divided by 0, 20 is 0, but by 0 it will be undefined, so it's a false statement. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now this,
False. Sir, false. False.
yeah, minus divide minus is to the plus, but it is there is minus, that's why it's again false. This,
True. True.
True.
so it's easy. Now this,
True.
Sir, true.
see, now my question.
False. Plus 59.
It should be minus divide minus plus, na? But there is minus, na?
Plus.
False. Now this,
False.
False.
False.